Then next question is regarding a vegetation or plant called as Khejri tree. So they are saying that the mortality rate of the lifeline of desert Khejri tree is decreasing. And why is this a cause of concern? So they are asking about what are the importance of Khejri tree. And Khejri tree is decreasing in the arid regions because of the fungal attack, because of the mites attack, because of the chopping of that branches of that tree. Okay, so because of all these reasons, Khejri tree, the lifeline of desert, it is decreasing. Okay, and why we are concerning about that decreasing of Khejri tree? That means what are the importance of Khejri tree? So this Khejri tree is a keystone species. It's a keystone species in arid regions, mainly in Rajasthan. Okay, so this Khejri tree is locally known as Jandi. Okay, Khejri tree is known as Jandi also. So its correct name is, or its scientific name is, Prosopis cineraria. Okay, so and it is locally known as Khejri or Jandi tree, right? And it's an indigenous tree in India, right? So this Khejri tree, it has a good role in the lifestyle of Rajasthani people, especially the Vishnoi people. Okay, so this Khejri tree, it is a good source of firewood for the Rajasthani people, as well as it is having a role in the making of nutrient soil, or it is having a role in the sustaining of nutrient value of the soil in desert region. Okay, how means it is a nitrogen fixing tree. Khejri tree is a nitrogen fixing tree. Okay, so that's why it is improving the soil fertility. And also its fruit, it is having a fruit, and that fruit is used by the people there, as well as the birds there, as well as the butterflies there, or the pollinators there. So the honeybees or the butterflies, they are depending on the fruits of that Khejri tree. Okay, so if anything happened to that, the insects in that region will be also affected. Insects means the honeybees or butterflies. They are the main pollinators, right? So that will be also affected if the trees are decreased. And Khejri tree is also having medicinal values. The bark of the Khejri is used for medicinal activities also, and the flowers make an amazing bee fodder that we discussed. And also we know about vultures. Vultures are decreasing in a fast rate due to the diclofenac, a drug used to treat the cattle, right? So because of that, vultures was decreasing in a fast rate. And Khejri tree is also having a role in vulture population also, because on the Khejri tree these vultures make their nest. Okay, the vultures, they would roost and nest in the branches of Khejri tree, and as well as this Khejri tree provides shelter for some other animals, and also they are giving shades in the desert regions. Okay, so that's why this Khejri tree is known as lifeline of desert, or it's also a keystone species. So these are the main importance of regarding Khejri tree. Now let's go through the questions. It has a good role in sustaining the nutrient value of the soil. Khejri is having good role in sustaining the nutrient value of the soil. So that we discussed, because it is a nitrogen fixing tree. So they are maintaining the nitrogen in the soil, or they are improving the soil fertility. Okay, so first statement is correct. So we eliminated B. Then second statement, the amount of nitrogen in the soil would decrease. Of course, because we said that it is nitrogen fixing tree. So if the Khejri tree is decreased in a fast rate, then nitrogen will be also reduced in the desert region. So second is also correct. So we eliminated C also. Then by knowing the rest of the option, we come to know that third statement is correct, right? So third means the survival of some pollinators like honeybee will be affected. Of course, because honeybees are mainly depending on the flowers of that Khejri tree. So third statement is, no need to go for the third statement when you are appearing for your exam, because by the option itself you will come to know that third is correct. Then you can directly go to the fourth statement. It is a pioneer species in the desert ecosystem. No, it's a wrong statement, because it's a keystone species. What's a pioneer species? A species which colonize a newly developed area and which is starting the ecological succession is known as pioneer species. Khejri tree is not a pioneer species, it's a keystone species. So fourth statement is wrong. So we get the answer as A. 1, 2, 3 is the answer.